handsome fusion of modern, industrial, and retro elements embodies the personality of this home interior. Nestled within the quaint neighborhood of Buangkok Woods is where Aaron's family of 5 resides in.
Dark tones with a cocktail of indie mood, that was exactly the design brief which I gave to my interior designer, Eugenia from Interior Lab. I also shared with her my personal love for rustic modern interiors before leaving the design conceptualization entirely to her.
By drawing inspiration from the traditional gentlemen's clubs, leather surfaces and dark wood tones were infused into the overall interior that refines the mundane, modern industrial theme with a whiff of sophistication.
One of our few design requests was to incorporate the colour green into our home. We were glad that it was tastefully intertwined into the overall interior by Eugenia.
2 tones of forest green were used to visually delineate the living and dining area while breaking the monotony of a classic industrial interior.
I love to cook and enjoy hosting family gatherings, so expanding the kitchen and dining area was of paramount importance. The spacious built-in dining feature was installed along with an open kitchen island where I can conveniently interact with my family and friends while cooking.
To fulfill the storage needs for the family of 5, the interior designer tapped on vertical spaces by building a customized platform storage bed within the master bedroom. Full-height wardrobe also doubles as a partition to segregate the vanity area and the sleeping quarters, creating a walk-in wardrobe as part of the design.
The time-consuming process of communicating and coordinating between the contractors was one of the reasons we employed the help of an interior designer. Thankfully, Eugenia was able to live up to our expectations and provide us with a peace of mind throughout the entire renovation journey. We definitely paid a premium, but the service aspect was worth the investment, given the fact that the Interior Lab managed to turn the seemingly arduous renovation journey into a smooth sailing one, especially in the midst of a pandemic. The final look of our home interior was indeed rewarding.